Kublaya pi baro sa Shuseng ka Faith Foundation kapadiang sobhaya pi syakani ka program laway ki hapjumi. Bat menta kasngi ka jingkren ka long halot ki daw babalay ki khana ki yatho bat balay kim yatho haba ki shathombor. Hakani ka kinti ni snow comment bani snow ktilang bat batua jingmut lang na kinohikai Jongka School ba Martin Luther Christian University bat ke Indian Institute of Professional Studies. Kabenta kabaning kong kalong haba ki khana ki shathombor ke ek daw ba khana kim yatho. Kat kom ka jingwat banya iway na ki langut jo ki khana ki basha thombor ha ka long ran yang ka jongki bon na ki kim ju yatho yano bat bon ha ki daw babalay kim yatho. Kat to kat ni ki daw ki la bandai baki khana ki la ban snow baki kemi ki kpa kin nget yaki la daki ki yatho. Kala ro ban long u ne ka long thombor ki la man tun biet ya ikhana da ka ba ong bakade ka jingle ka jongki dan de ban ong de ka ktin nong way a secret game dan ro ki khana kim dang ban yatho ne ban ong ne ki shu snow long pher lada u ne ka nong thombor ki de ki parlok ki bre jan ha ba ki kemi ki kpa ikhana inmut bet bakam de ka basnew lani kom ga noksa ngam tharai ba imama idan ka jingmut ban le snew yang ki khana ki la ru ban snow don kan o kan do ka jing snow pang lani ki shu snow long pher bat ki snow tanat ru ki don pat ki khana kim yatho namar ba ki snow tanat bat ru ki snow long jo ya ka jing le jongki tong ni snap ki wai pada ki daw bale ki khana kim yatho yangi tada ki sha thombor.
Sometimes children may be led to think or believe that they are also somehow responsible and may actually think that they have also made a mistake. When this happens, it is difficult for children to come up in the open because they kind of feel guilty and they are also kind of ashamed that they are part of the act, and that is maybe one reason why they find it difficult to come out in the open.
Children do not share because they are confused whom to share and what to share.
Children are not aware that they have to report or inform if such incident happened, as they are not being taught or informed either at home or school.
The perpetrator may be a family member, and the thought of losing them prevents the child from sharing.
Children do not disclose of being abused because there is a sense of shame, guilt, and ridicule.
There are children who come from broken and abusive families, and it is in these type of broken families that they feel a lot of insecurity. This insecurity actually stops them from sharing about the abuses that they have faced or feelings of being uncomfortable.
Ni kum ki kimi ki kpa lani ki rangba haying hasem nim chu koi per khat ban killi lani ban kren shapang ka jing sha thambor ki balong ha ki bun ki rukom
ha ka baya dei pat ba ka banta ka ba ban ong ba balai ki khna ki la ban ya thu lani balai ki me thu shapang ka jing sha thambor jungki lesi ka la balong ha kawai ka liang ba kawai di begitu ki la bun ki ses ni snow ba ki bri ki ba thambor ki khna ki bernyam ki bersit ki khangam ki bernyam ki bikin penyak ani bikin show ni ki khna baret dadan ba bernyam kunta musim ke badang ru ka ki tiang ti ki nur ban ya ha kawai sakawai ke benta ba ru kalong ba lesi hayin hasam ki kimi ki pa dadan ki kimi ki pa ki ba duki ni ki bamlong kum bedah kedan ya kakti nong ba bamlong friendly bagi kun ki tiang wat amban ong ai baret I kimiru dan iwa I kabaru ka tikala an pelong ki kena bikin set no ai ka bajai ki nama ki tiang yo lesi yo ngasha mai kena manga nama bagi yo kadai ke jing bakla jong
Tikum kino pat ki khana ki ba kham ngop ba ha ka jing sha thombor ha ka long ren ki khana ki ba jamin sim ki bam long shilul la ne ha ka tin nong we ngi ong low self esteem ka kajing ya pat ya para hayeng hasem lani kajing ban biang kajing mi ban pendap ya kajing don kam jong kajing kesem kajing ban jong kajing pang jong shitam kajing yo para no ha kerta ke badang rit ki khana ki badon bet ya kajing long seir ya ki bala he lasan ki khana ki ba ki kemi ki kpa kim don po na benta jong ki balai ba kini kajing sha thomor ki khana ki kiu stat bat ki yai ja kadau jong kajing kiu jong kajing sha thomor jong ka dong ren yang jong ki khana kadai ba bon ki brio ki kloi ban ya map lahi kai ki khana udang ret bangi dai ban ya map kum ka noksa tuklet no aka baro namar ba ka jujia bet kum ne kawai ro kadai namar ki khana ki la ju sha hi kai ba ki ban snap bet ya ki bala he lasan bat ba ka aka bagi ba he basan ki le kalong bet ka badai kawai na ki dau ba kalong ba ka diga jing da buram ya ka yeng ka sem ban lat na ka jing sha pen bat ban thieu na ki brio ki nong thomor ki la ru ban kop da ka ba ong ka ka sakhi ka ba phi dan sakawai ka jing ki li kalong bale ki khana ki yo tho ingi haba ki sha thomor
Children will tell us about their incidents of child abuse because they consider us as safe adults and they know that we care for them.
Ki khana kia thu English phanga jing sha thong bo na ka jing sha le ben ka jongki namar ba ka di ka jinglong tan rai ka jongki hi khangtam ki hap ki barin ban ya lap na ban ya thu khana sha phang ka ek ka jing ja baman la ka sni la ki jongki ki me ki pa na ki henmen na ki no ki do khat jongka long yeng ka jongki ki ba ki hi ki shanya.
When we teach children on the correct names of all the different parts of the body, and we also teach them which parts of the body that they should not allow others to touch.
Uni ka khana kinya thu ini haba nya ba kai sha yi ki sha phang kamet ka pha chong ki bat kum no ban ya dai la ki bat haba ki sha thom bor ki te bit ban ya thu om ba kim bu ri
haba ki khana ki sha thom bor ki thu engi lada ki don ka jing so pang ha kamet kham tam ha ki banta jo ka jing long kan thei ni shin rang bar haba ki yo engi bangi snap ya ki bar ni kershan ya ki.
When we make them feel that we take their concerns or issues seriously and we trust what they are saying.
Namarba lada ki kmi ki kpa ki himmen ki bahyeng hasam ki long paralok bat ki khna lane ki hikai ki khna shapang ki kinja jingsha thombor ki ba wan ha ki rukom ki ba pher bat lada ki long paralok bat ki khna ka sok ki khna ban ye tho lane ban express ye kita ki jingsha thombor ki ba ja ka jing em ka jongki
sakawai pat kadau kalong haba ki khana ki wan hi ban phla bakila sha thombor hadin bakila yo ka jing hi kai sha phang kum no ban ya dai la de na ka jing sha thombor ki khana ki ba kum no pat ki kham lan ban ngat ha ka jing sha thombor ha ki long ren yang ka jong ki khana ki ba yo bha ya ka jing ien bat ki ba pen bat ya khana la ki jong ki me ki khpa ki kemi ki khpa ki badan ka jing tip ya ka lek ka wan jong ki khon she e ki lek bat ki parlok ki ba kum no ki khon ki dan ki badan ya ka long yeng ka ba dap da ka jing iet bat ka bas kem bat haba ki khana ki ba iet bat buram ki kat kum ka jing penya jo ki kemi ki khpa bat ki ba buram ya ki bala he lasan ki khana ki ba tip sha phang ka la jing ya da ha ka ba ya dei bat ka jing sha thombor ani ka personal safety rules kumta kum ki kemi ki khpa ni dei ban shim ya ka ne ka sen jam kumbang alap da patai khanang ba ki khana ki light na ka jing sha thombor bat ru ba kin yo ban im shnan bat ki khana ki dei ban kin mau ba kam julom ka ba dir por ban ya tho ya ki brio ki ba ki shanya ha ka no ka poru lan de ka kti nang we hi ang it is never too late to tell your trusted adult lada pikwa bantua jing mut kham panya lagi pidan ka do jing kili pila ban board ya ka Faith Foundation ha ka Facebook account bat ha ka Instagram bat pila ban phone ha number khandai lai real not rr not hinyo But ru ha un number, iwe not can die pra, jong ka chai line number, man yo jingerap. Pila ru ban snap, yangi ha ka AIR ne ka News on Air app, mahaman na kasgi sa jan ha ka por kan die at po ng step, kublay shibon.